Hey guys, it's Marie here. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing a review on these two wines that Tabitha Brown has at Target. So if you want to know what my honest review is, stay tuned. So listen, I had to get my hand on this new wine collection that Tabitha Brown just wrote out. I think it's been out since July 20th. So my local Target was sold out the first week or two, but I rode up in my Target last week and found that it was fully stocked. So I was like, I need to get 2 bottles and go ahead and do this review. One thing I do like about my girl Tabitha Brown products is that everything that she sells as far as food and drinks, everything is part of her vegan collection because she is vegan. So this wine is vegan and this is how it looks. I'll show you the other one. Yeah, so it has the vegan label on here. So yes, these are officially vegan. All right, so let's go ahead and get this party started. So we're gonna start off with the Love Y'all, and this is her Moscato wine. It said this is notes of a white peach and honeysuckle with the aroma of orange blossoms. So I'm sure this may taste like peach, and I do like a peach flavor. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here we go. Again, this is called Love Y'all. I think I'm pouring too much. Okay. Okay, so I do like this Moscato because usually Moscato, it's like hit or miss with me, but I do like how this Moscato tastes. And I see that this is only 8% alcohol volume, so that is perfect for the ladies who just want to have a drink during the day or during the weekday, like myself. So I like this one. Okay. I mentioned, I keep forgetting, but these bottles are only $7.99 at Target. $7.99, you cannot beat that. Go Tabitha. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the second bottle, and this is called Hello There. And if you follow Tabitha Brown, if you're a fan of Tabitha Brown, you know that's her little saying, hello there. So this is the name of this red blend wine. This is Hello There, and it says notes of dark chocolate and black cherry with hints of vanilla. So let's see how this tastes. Now it is saying that this one is 13.5 alcohol by volume. So this one's a little stronger than a Moscato. So we're gonna see how this one tastes. This might be my go-to. So let's see. I just noticed that I only have a few nails on. You guys, I've been working hard this week, so please excuse me. I have literally like 8 personal nails on right now, but we're not gonna pay attention to that. We're going to keep talking about this wine. Okay, so I'll take a little bit. Okay. This one it's definitely a red blend, and this one, it's not super sweet, but it's not super dry. So I took that back. I had another sip, and this is kind of leaning towards more of the dry taste to me. It's definitely not a sweet red blend. So if you are someone who do not like the dry red wines, this is one that you may not like, but you can taste the hints of the black cherry. So you can taste the hints of the black cherry. But yeah, this one I will give, let's say 8 out of 10. Like I said, I am a girl who likes the sweet red blend wines. So yeah. Again, this is Hello There. It's a red blend. All right, so that's the end of this video. So thank you all for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And these are the bottles again. Again, these are from Tabitha Brown's wine collection, and you can find these at your local Target. I think you can find them online. I don't think you can get them shipped, but you may be able to pick them up in the store, from the store. So I will leave the link in the description for these 2 wines. So hope you all enjoyed my video, and I'll see you soon.